Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I've got this natural ready to go for the summer style for you guys. Did a few twists, I did a little clip in. That's it. That's all. Real simple, real easy. You can do it too, and you can do this style without the clip-ins. That's what I did before this. This is my first time trying it with the clip-ins. I just came to show you how I do this style because I did it one time and it was eating. I was like, somebody would want to know how I do this. All right, let's get into it. I'm starting on freshly co-washed hair, and it's probably a lot dry by now, but this is my hair and it's natural state. Shout out to her. I will be using clip-ins from curlsqueen, but this video is not sponsored. It's just a JaLeah want to do her hair in front of y'all video. I like these clip-ins. These are some good clip-ins, so I'm gonna keep using them till the wheels fall off. And I already got those prepped to the side, but first, before we even get into the clip-ins, let's section off this front part because this is where the twists will go. I've done it once before and it just wasn't as far back as I would have liked it to be, so I have to make sure I have it far back enough so the curls lay how I want them to lay. I'm stopping about halfway, and then just to be safe, where I think is good enough, I'm gonna go just a little bit further back just to be really safe. And as for the back, let's just go ahead and put it in like the tightest little bun you can put it in so that the moisture is kept in as much as possible. Front sectioned off, back sectioned off. I already have that Taraji Henson in my hair right now, so I'm not gonna add anything more to the front. I'm going for like swirl-esque type of twist. I'm not really that good of a braider, but twisting is pretty simple. Going in with like a C shape, and this will start the wave of the twist. Once I get my hair parted, I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam. Boop. And this will help be my guide for my twist, just making sure everything stays on each proper side of the twist. Now that each side is sectioned off, clip this away. Boom. I like to work side to side. I don't want them too big. I want these to last me a couple days. Last time I did this, they lasted me like 4 before I got really tired of them in my head. That's sectioned off, more Shine and Jam, section off the rest. And also go back and go ahead and get this because this helps lay down everything. Grab this hair. First twist, going back and forth between the Edgebooster and the Shine and Jam. The Edgebooster is going to go more towards the front where I need a lot more hold, because the Shine and Jam holds, but not really, you know. Alright, it looks like this one's ready to be started, so let's start it. Just want to grab the hair and just twist it upon itself. It's a really simple motion once you get the hang of it. Oh, this one's kind of good. Now we starting off like on a high note. Great, that means we can breeze through this. Once you get to this point, secure it with a rubber band. A little pull down, and we got our first twist. Now once I'm done with my little twist, I'm gonna add some of this mousse. Little mousse, making sure the product is well distributed. Let's move on to the next one. And once you get going, this style is so easy to achieve. I think I did about like 15-16 twists, and it took me about 40 minutes all in all, like the clip-ins and all. And that's about how long it takes me to install a wig, if not longer. Maybe a wig takes me an hour and a half. So if you're like, I don't want to do my natural hair, it takes too long, girl, you don't get the Shine and Jam out and twist that front of the head, girl. Wear your hair out. It's summertime. You want a tan line? You want a tan line on your forehead? It's not cute to have a tan line on your forehead. Do it a twist. Let your scalp breathe. When's the last time your scalp breathed, girl? Leading myself. When's the last time that scalp breathed? This perfect style for you. Give it a try. It's so simple. Like, I can't braid. I can barely braid. And this just substitutes braiding. And this style lasted me a good 4 days. So try it out for yourself. Of course, I can't go without no edges. So definitely pull those out before you get to doing your side twists. And of course your sideburns when you get there. Using that Edgebooster to separate the baby hair and the hair that'll be in the twists. Start clipping these to the side so they don't interfere. This is such a simple style for natural hair. This is actually my first time attempting it with clip-ins, because last time I just had one natural hair in the back, but I was like, you know what would really take it there? I had some clip-ins. And even if you don't got no clip-ins, don't be scared to try the style out. Like, I think sometimes we be afraid to see what our hair looks like in its natural state, but like, it's yours, girl. Wear it. When I got to this little side portion, I like to make this one the biggest one because my little side hair right here is a little thin. I don't know what that's about, but I took it really slow actually. Just a little edge control on the edge and make sure my sideburns is out and twisting that up like I did the other ones and rubber banding up like usual. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all see how I ate? I feel like I got good hair or something. Like, if you just use products, you'll be shocked at how lovely your own hair is. Like, I've been afraid to venture out and try new products, but I have, and I really enjoy those Lotta Body products. I've been using them for some time now, and my hair really likes them as well. So this what it looks like just with the mousse on it in the Taraji Henson. So this is the other side, and when I got to the other side, I ended up doing it the other way. I was twisting downward upward, but the opposite way. It was just getting really hard for me to do. So don't be scared if you can't do it the way you was twisting it before on the other side. Go ahead and swap directions, and it'll work just fine. Finally, we are complete. This is the final front portion. We're about to move on to the back and the clip-in. I'm thinking I was gonna have my hair out, but because I'm on like such a short time crunch, I'm thinking I'm just gonna have the top portion of my hair out in the back, so I don't gotta worry about defining everything. I'm gonna just pull out this top section, just a section of my hair to cover up the clip-ins, but the back I might just throw this in a little braid real quick, fold it under, nobody will know. But my intentions were at first to fully define my hair. Let's just make it easy on ourselves and braid this on up. And then once this is braided up, I'm just gonna clip it on. So let's add the clip in. 1 5, 3 4s, and 1 3. Let's start at the back with this number 5. I lied, I have 2 5s. Last 4. Finally, I gave this one a little bit of a trim so that it looked a little bit closer to what my hair length is. That's cute. Just a little bit of a... As for my little section of hair, I'm gonna mist this down with some water. Going in with my Lotta Body Elongate Me. It's a thick, dense cream and it helps my curls not shrink up too much. A little mousse. Now that I've got a little mousse in my hair and it's starting to look a little bit more seamless, this of course will dry on its own time, but we can't leave down so no baby hair, so let's lock in and hit those real quick. Using a little bit more of that mousse. Just to get them wet again. I like wearing my baby hair curly. It's kind of where my inspiration, you know, along with Tay, can't forget about Tay, but my inspiration for my wigs baby hair comes from, because I like to make sure my baby hair are curled as well. These clip-ins are such a good match. This won't be all I'm using for the baby hair, but I like when my curls have like something on them. Next, Edgebooster. Now we begin for real. I'm so particular. It's like, girl, enough, they're done. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my baby hair and I'll be back when my hair is fully dry. Bless me. So here's the hair. We're as dry as we're gonna get right now because I got to go. But this is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like. Let's get into the back. I don't know what it looked like. I'm going regardless of what it looked like. Just the back. Don't look crazy. Alright, I got to go. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. More hair content coming soon. More natural content. Y'all keep asking me about the makeup tutorial. It's the same one. I mean, I switched it up just a little bit every single time. It's practically the same thing. But if you see me again, you like, please give us the makeup tutorial, then I'll give it to you. But just know, it's not much variation from what it was before. Hope you guys enjoyed. I got to go. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful.